Today, you will be receiving the sacrament of matrimony. This will be your judgment day.
There is a house built out of stone,
And the main reason why you will receive the sacrament of matrimony, it's because of love. Dahil kayong dalawa ay nagmamahalan. Ito ang dahilan bakit tatanggap po kayo ng sakramento ng kasal. From the bottom of your heart, tinanggap mo itong si Catherine. Catherine, tinanggap mo ito si Mark Steven ng buong buo, galing na yung puso at minamahal mo siya.
Built a home for you, for me, until you disappeared from me, from you. It's time to live and time to die.
Thank you dahil hindi ka sumuko nung muntik na ako sumuko. And I promise to love you forever dahil hindi po totoong walang forever dahil tayo may forever.
Lahat ng sakit, hirap, dadaanan natin during our married life. As God created us all equal, and also our eyes, through our married eyes, we are all equal. Today, I say to you, my wife, I love you, and you will no longer be my girlfriend. You are now my forever wife. I promise to you that I am your lover, I am your friend, I am your companion. I will be your ally in this married life, and I will be your adversary in this married life.